We're in the wilderness somewhere. We've got the boat fully packed of camping gear. Hey.
It's Black Magic.
Hey, put that away. What's your name?
His name's Dum Dum. Black Magic.
No, it's not. I think we need some new wipers. Whoa. Always the way when you're rocking up somewhere, it just starts raining. Oh, shucks. Here goes the big dog. Picture perfect night. Rustled the fire up. Yeah.
Just make sure your phone charges. Unless it's a...
Got young Sog. What's going on, Sog?
Oh, this.
You got a sizzle up there. Bit of a sizzle up. That's the eel we caught earlier. How's Leah going?
I'm good, yeah.
Rory? Cooper?
No, it's frisky. He's fine.
He'll be right. So what you're seeing here is Bruno, the brains of the operation. He's rigging up a bait for Marlon to paddle out. And this is literally Marlon's first attempt to paddle out a bait in his entire life. He's got balls of steel and the sun is setting, the sharks are feeding, and we're only in this predicament because we lost a drone earlier, which you'll see later on in the show. Paddle, Marlon. Paddle. Back. Yep, and he wiped out pretty good. And for some reason I stopped the camera, but that didn't stop him. He got straight back up and had another crack. Into the sun, but...
You want to go that way a bit more?
That looks a bit better, right?
Yeah. Seems to be keep getting bigger.
There's another one. There's a sneaky one. Sneaky one.
Jump over that one. Jump and go.
Go, 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 go. He's off and racing. Oh, come on, son.
Look at, look at, look at. Go,
He's out.
Woo! Ah, he's got it.
We're on. How you going there?
Yeah.
So young Marlon is hooked up to something big. The puppies, how you going, puppies? How you going, puppy?
Anyone tried seal before?
Is that what we got?
I don't know, no, I doubt it.
How you going, Coops?
Good.
You having fun?
Kind of.
Of course you are, mate.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, you wouldn't be down if you weren't. Hey?
I had to come.
You watch the size of this sharky. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Unfortunately, the shark come off the hook, but as you can see, the conditions are absolutely prime. Marlin out there. Out goes the bait. Beautiful night. doesn't get any better than this night. It's warm, it's hot, there's no wind, it's so nice.
And welcome to another edition of One Last Cast. We've come down to East Gippsland to a very favourite destination point in Bem River. But I'm here with Bretty Reed and my kids and Brett's kids and families, and there's 20 of us set up on a campsite just at a place called Reggie's Rest. We're fishing in the channel this morning, targeting estuary perch, bream, flathead. There's a lot of tailor usually in the system. We've had a lot of rain in East Gippsland over the springtime period, and the entrance at Bem River is wide open. Quite tidal at the moment, so there's a lot of water movement.
Oh, that's a whiting.
It's a bloody whiting. Have a look at that.
There, that's a yellowfin, is it?
Yellowfin whiting.
Bem River. Is that a first for you?
Oh, bloody oath.
And we've got a camera going.
Look at that. Look at that little beauty. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Look at him. Hey, this is what they talk about.
Look at the size of him.
He's a beautiful fish. This is what they talk about in New South Wales. Top water action, and they chase these little whiting on the sand flats.
A Tuncurry,
Oh yeah, but Merimbula, all those little places.
Foster. You get them in SA as well. He's away.
Pretty special.
Yeah, because you don't see that every day at Bem River, do you?
No.
What was the lure? Squirrel.
Just a little squirrel.
Jackal squirrel.
Yeah, so that's a first for me. We've caught King George whiting in here, but the little sand whiting, beautiful fighting fish and great flesh. I'll let him go, but I'm going to just take him home and show the boys at the camp, because that's a first for us down here at Bem River.
Do you reckon it's because the entrance open?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
The thing I like about Bem River is I can relax and let the kids play on the beach. A little bit of land base off the surf, and for Tony, he's all about the lure fishing. He's been bringing his kids up here for 15 years and they absolutely love it. Yep, there's something for everyone.
Seems to be the little honey hole area.
When the entrance is open, anything can just literally turn up.
With the dusky flathead, there's a slot limit on them. Any fish that's 55 and over has to be put back. This fish here, he wouldn't be 55, so he one that you could keep for a feed.
But you're not going to, are you, Tony?
No, I'm not big on.
Didn't they just stock?
Yep.
Do you know how many they put in?
No, I don't. But Victorian Fisheries have done a stocking program on a dusky flathead. They caught and took some flathead from Malakuta up to Narooma, up to the holding where they do all the breeding programs. I know that we come up in July and we did we got 50 odd estuary perch, and they, out of those 50 estuary perch, 140,000 estuary perch fingerlings were released back into East Gippsland. 100 were put into Gippsland lakes, 5,000 into Bem River. Marlow got 5,000. Lake Tyers got some as well. Just see what a beautiful fish he is. Beautiful light. And they're an ambush predator. And look at the size of his big mouth.
Look at the sun stroke on one side.
He'll sit there and he'll just wait for something and ambush them. I'll let this guy one go. Working this bank for a little while. I've hooked up to another little bream. He's not a big one. He's still a little bream. And he's come up and whacked this little hard body lure. He's only a real juvenile. He's quite silvery. Look at that.
Ruby's doesn't sleep in there, do you?
No.
How you liking Ben River? Good.
Better than real home.
What about you, Leah? Good?
Yeah, great. Good one.
You got to sign in with Bruce. Look at the view. Look at the big mountain range up there. I'll zoom in. Oh, yeah, pretty sweet. Got some characters down here.
Made up by the Berwick boys. Yeah, this is where we cook all our food. Have breakfast, have dinner, have lunch.
Some arsehole stole the rod holders.
Oh yeah, we put some rod holders on the back here. Quick storm.
Yeah,
That's what happens, eh? That's
what happens.
We got the big reed tent,
yep. Big,
24 person.
yep. The Brim Master Bailey just flowing.
He bet me 10-0 yesterday.
He
Unreal.
just flows through.
The big tone tent. He's got it all to himself. Had a bit of rumble in there last night. Not sure what it was. Here's me. That's Hunter's Jimmy Swag, and then that's my Jimmy Swag. I better go close it up so the goannas don't get in.
We've already had a visit from the goannas today.
He was in Robbo's tent.
And you got, that's Greggy's tent, is it?
Yeah, this is Greggy's tent.
And
He's got some orange juice.
generator at the back there.
He's got orange juice.
It's got a nice drink selection. Who's that swagger at the back? Is that Wheels?
Just had a shower, it was pretty good.
Yeah.
We've got Dunny Steve at the back here.
Dunny Steve. Is this the fairies tent?
We're not fairies.
Touch the line.
Yeah.
Hang on, Yous. Oh, he's on the big dog.
Dude, it's like 2 meters long.
Oh, look at him.
Right there. Oh, where's the other one gone? That's actually a big one. Look at that.
Yeah. Have you got a net?
Or try.
No, have you got a bigger net?
You've got him, Marlon.
No.
You've got him. Watch out, boys.
Here, let me grab it. I've got. Here, pass the net. Pass the net. Let's get it. Good net. Give the dog. Give the dog. Give the dog.
I'll probably have the way, Bill. Dude, there's another one there.
Live bait cake?
Hunter knows what he's doing.
You have a live bait?
In the back of my boat.
Yep.
Oh, get away from that.
Get away from.
You're not going to get in.
He's doing.
Hey,
Come around.
Oh, look.
Geordie King, you walk. No, he's under.
Yeah, what do you want me to do?
No, the line.
Walk in.
Go, mate. Go, mate.
Not for the eel, just for the log.
No, I got him out.
Try.
Is it-
Try.
Oh, he's off.
No, he's still there.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
holy.
Holy moly.
This is a shark bait. How do you feel, mate?
Look at the size of the thing.
Just on hold my phone so I can go in.
He's ours. He's ours. He's not ours.
Just touch my feet.
Oh, he's off and racing again.
Someone's net.
I don't have another net. It's only one I got.
Go beat him. Just go
Go
beat
get
him.
someone else's net.
Oh, we had him.
I can't beat him.
Might have a gaff.
Someone go home to Rob.
He's finished. He's finished.
Oh, God.
Oh, we,
Go
Yeah, we
try
won't
and
be
get
able
tail first, Hunt. So
Yeah.
get behind him and scoop him up.
You can't do it.
we got it.
Tail.
Looks like a trout.
Come from the back. Come from the back.
Tail's right there.
Come from the back of the tail, Hunt. No,
He's just gonna.
go from the tail.
Too long.
No, see the tail.
Try and get the tail.
No gaff. No gaff.
What, no gas?
No on the gaff.
No gaff.
No, Hunter, you gotta, when I beat him, you gotta go from the tail to the head, mate. No, not yet.
No, just so I know.
Just push him up. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Yeah. Hunter, get him.
Get him in.
We got him.
No.
Oh, he's a slippery.
Broke Robbo's neck.
He's done your net.
Robbo!
You might have to just leader him onto the beach.
Yeah, that's what I say. No, it's
Oh, yeah,
in.
just rip it in there. Rip it in there. Rip it in.
Okay, that wasn't good. I hope that the cameraman is okay and hopefully we will be able to come back to...
We've got him. This is the bait. There's the size of my foot.
Caught on the reedies.
Caught on the reedies, of course. And we're getting these eels to catch bronzies off the beach tonight.
Yeah, it's good enough to...
Get out of the way. Breakaway on this side. Bit of 120 to a snap swivel.
Yeah.
That way, when it's pulling in the surf, it's pulling the anchor.
Yeah.
And then when the shark grabs it, that 15 pound will snap.
Yeah.
And then it'll run backwards so it doesn't drag in the sand.
Yeah.
While we're fighting it.
Awesome. Got the big dogs here.
Yeah, they're naughty.
And the whole crew.
They're the big dogs.
The whole crew waiting to see a big shark.
Big dog.
So we're going to fly out.
Mate, we're flying out puppies.
We're flying out to line number 2.
Straight out to the shelf.
So good. What that cost?
$2 grand.
$2 grand? I don't get one.
Second-hand, but.
Is that?
No, it's good.
I said whoever catches it gets it. It's $5. It's your lucky $5. I'm going left more. Oh yeah, about 350. Yeah. Hey?
The drone's just crashed in the sea.
Can we get that paddleboard?
Yeah, I'll run you back. Yeah, go to Tinny. Well, does that mean... Are they waterproof?
Meant to be. How waterproof?
Where are they? It'll be under warranty?
Oh, it's there. Yeah, it'll come in. No, it's there. Yeah,
how old is it? Bruno's paddling out on a look for the lost drone. I think he might have found it. He's off from racing.
I reckon you guys saw something.
He did throw his hands up. Oh, yeah, I reckon he's got it.
I'm not saying you're paddling it.
Look.
I reckon he's got it.
We think he's got the drone.
Yeah.
Oh, how
I don't think it'll
exciting.
work.
Yeah, it could work. It's actually waterproof.
I just know it's some kind of marketplace. You want it?
Nah.
How cheap you selling it for?
Batteries, $200. You want 3 batteries? 200, $600.
Alright, done. Sold.
The half-time entertainment, big one, come on. Oh, he's on. There, nearly. Bang! He went and picked up the drone and it went about K down the beach.
No, it's going flat.
Yeah, pull drag.
It's going flat. Yes, on the
When it flows down.
How you going today?
Good, you?
Yeah, right.
Probably dummy.
Oh, really? It's a big gummy. It might be a stinger. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's a gummy.
G'day, little brother.
What the hell? Hey, cool.
Cool as.
He's a sleeper, eh? Well, there you go, boys and girls. Not the monster we had hoped for, but it was our first crack at BEM, at Sharks. A nice 50 kilo. We'll be back there next year, having a crack again for the big monsters. Stay awesome. Hope to see you on the water.